they were having issues with the builder that led to the point that it went to legal action.
If you are not going to be able to look at anything on your own and you have never done this before, hiring an owner's rep is to your advantage. I am Francisca Alonso, and I am the CEO and co-founder of AV Architects Plus Builders. Today, I'm here with Scott Biller with Biller & Associates, and Scott is our quality control consultant that we hire as a third party to keep tabs on all of our subcontractors and everyone pretty much that's building the house.
Thank you, Francisca. This is a great opportunity to sit with you today.
So Scott, can you tell us what is quality control in construction?
Quality control in construction, Francisca, is simply the point in time that you're able to verify what was in the plans and the specifications for that particular build and how well that matched those plans. It allows one more double check to say, yep, either that's correct or we're going to go make a quick fix. So what it adds is that ability to leverage all those additional checkpoints into a consolidated picture that says, is everything absolutely ready? And now we're going to move on to the next phase.
Right.
So project management can keep things on track, minimize rework, and also the potential cost to the project. It becomes almost an owner's representative where they really don't know me, but I'm helping them on a daily basis.
They don't, because we actually don't discuss it with our clients, because we're not charging our clients more money for you. We're paying it out of our pocket. And it's a good resource for the clients to hire somebody to represent them or hire a architect builder that actually has that in-house.
And what that really turns into being is almost an advocate for not only the builder, but that client to better represent what quality is in terms of differentiating between AV Architecture's product and the next home being built nearby.
That's the main reason why we love bringing you on board. One of the things that I really focus on, that I want to make sure that the subcontractors see you as a value add and not as a threat. We're all on the same team here.
Yes.
And we're all trying to do the best work possible. And all we're doing is bringing in a third party so that they can be checking on all the details, make sure that nobody's missing anything.
Exactly. And I think having a background of over 25 years as a general contractor, I'm able to speak the language, and that creates somewhat of a comfort where the communication is not the barrier.
We have about 85 subcontractors that we work with, and they don't get that nervous anymore when they see you step foot on the job site. But at first, right?
As soon as I walked into the actual house and I was carrying my iPad and I opened it up and started taking pictures, their lead came over and said, hey, what's going on? What's the problem? Why are you taking pictures?
Do we need to fix anything?
That was his actual next question. Do you see something wrong?
Right.
And I said, no, in this case, I'm actually documenting what was supposed to be on the plan right here, and I'm proving that it's there. And he goes, ooh, okay, thanks.
So tell us something about a horror story.
This was for another builder.
And it wasn't on any of our projects?
No, none of your projects.
Okay.
That's the good thing. I get a call from a lady in Florida. She said, I'm building a home in McLean and I'm concerned about the construction. I would like you to go check it out. I said, I can do that. So I went and did this inspection of the framing, and I came back with over 30 items, which is not common for a framing inspection. Well, like 3 weeks later, I get another call, and she said, I need you to go verify that they fixed the items that were in your last report. I go back, I look, and maybe 5 of the 30 items were fixed. That afternoon, I get a call from an attorney that says, we would like you to appear as an expert witness for this property. The purpose of all that story is to simply say the owner needed an owner representative. They knew that they were having issues with the builder that led to the point that it went to legal action. Some of your builders are not going to have the internal quality control because they don't want that.
And so you actually hire an owner's rep, and it's someone like you that has a lot of construction experience, and it represents the client because the client is busy.
Yes.
And the client has never built before, and they don't know what's good and bad. And yes, they have a general contractor and they have an architect, but they're looking for that third pair of eyes.
I have a website, Biller, and the word and associates.com. And my contact information is all right there on the website. And I'd love to chat with you.